Hi, estate owners! We are now here at the actual unit here at Gentry Manor. And today I'm going to show you a two-bedroom unit just around 78 square meters. And ang nagustuhan ko dito sa unit na to is it's a corner unit and right in front of the main door is the fire exit. And let's go inside to your unit. So upon entering to your unit, so we have here your kitchen area. So, sobrang napakaganda ng kitchen nyo, napaka-elegante niyang tingnan. And yung ating cooktop is made of porcelain. So we have 4 induction cooker and we have here your oven and of course the lower and upper cabinets. So sobrang elegant ng tingnan and the cabinets here is soft close. Yan. So, pag sinara mo siya, is wala siyang tunog. And of course, we have here your range hood that is made from Ariston. Of course, your induction cooker also is from Ariston and this oven. So, kung mapapansin nyo rin na upgraded lahat ng deliverables here. And yung tiles din natin dito is porcelain tiles. I also have here your inverter aircon. So kasama na siya upon turnover. And by the way, nalampasan natin. So naman is meron din tayong maid's room area. Here is your maid's room area with toilet and bath. And at the back of this main door is the general main switch. Right here is the living area, and over here is the dining area. For the dining area, approximate it can fit a 4 to 5 seaters. And what I like also here is meron na kayong island bar. So, pwede kayong maglagay dito ng high chairs. Pwede kayong mag-relax dito while enjoying the view. And so, napakaganda ng view natin. And by the way, we have the view of the Manila Bay and Okada. So, imagine, lalo na paggabi, napakaganda dito. So, makikita nyo yung lights dito or yung fountain dito sa Okada at night. Kung makikita nyo, ayan, malapit lang din yung Kingsford Hotel. And on this side is the Soler. So, kitang-kita nyo talaga yung entertainment city. Andito rin yung Grand Westside Hotel. So, napakaganda. Kita nyo yung buong township here in Westside City. And what I like about this unit also is the floor-to-ceiling glass niya. So, kahit hindi kayo mag-open ng switch in the morning, napakaliwanag ng unit. And yung balcony rin natin has a decent space. So, you can put also a small table here while enjoying your view. Super nice. And this hallway is leading you to your bedroom area. And here is the common toilet and bath. Here in your toilet and bath, it has a complete sanitary fittings. And by the way, this unit is smart home ready. Here is your first bedroom. So it can fit a queen size bed. And the aircon is also included na rin in your unit. And we also have here your built-in cabinets. We have a 3-door built-in cabinets here. Ayan, napakaganda rin ng cabinets dahil gray color. I like the color of this unit. Sobrang elegant. I think kahit hindi nyo na ipabago yung mga tiles here, sobrang ganda. And here is your master's bedroom. Here you also have your access to the balcony. Yan. Napaka-generous ng balcony dito sa 2-bedroom. This unit has a total of 2 balconies. View rin kayo ng Okada. Oh, napakaganda dito. Here in your master's bedroom, you also have your own toilet and bath. Yeah, so ito yung ating toilet and bath. Yan, so may shower, may glass partition, and meron na rin tayong 4-door built-in cabinet here in your master's bedroom. That's the end of our tour. I hope you enjoy our tour today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. for more condo tour. Again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Takla. Thank you for watching. Bye!